Welcome to Workshop Wednesday,
where we share tips, fast DIYs, and some of our favorite things.
I'm Steph.
And I'm Vicki.
And on today's show, we have a field trip. We have a project follow-up that you guys voted on Monday on our Facebook page. And
we have a What's in the Box.
Before we get started, we have a question for you. How long have you been DIYing? Let us know in the comments below. I will start, but I'm going to say probably 30 years. I'm 33, so I started at 3. That sounds right.
I don't know what she was doing at 3.
I probably handed you a hammer or something.
You did make lollipops once with me. That's baking, that's DIY.
I remember eating them.
They didn't really work very well, but we did make them.
It doesn't matter. Candy, it's going to taste good.
I have been DIYing so long that it's hard for me to remember, but I'm going to put the number at 55 years, and that was when I was 10 and I was in 4-H at the time, and I was learning to sew. So my first DIYing was sewing.
Cool. Well, let us know about you, how long you've been DIYing. So now we want to take you on a field trip. I was hoping she would say that with me. She didn't. It's okay. We won't take that out. So, Mom, what was our field trip that we just did?
Our field trip, we went to Atlanta 2 weeks ago, and we went to a conference called Workbench Con, and it was a gathering of 450 of our nearest and dearest favorite bloggers and makers and brand new friends.
Do you know what a maker is? I thought people knew what this was, but actually someone asked me the other day what it is. A maker is anyone that makes something. So maybe you out there are a maker, and that's awesome. And you might be interested in going to Workbench Con because it's open to anybody really. And it's a lot of fun. There's so many people to interact with and hang out with. And here in this footage you can see that there's a big room where we all gather and we get to hang out. And there's also a lot of vendors. So there's a ton of brands there that you get to see the new products that they have coming out, and you get to chat with the brand representatives and really get to know products that you wouldn't necessarily get to know about other ways, and talk to the people that actually make them day in and day out. So that's a really neat opportunity. And there's a lot of classes, a lot of hands-on classes, business classes, and so that's where we were. That was our field trip a couple weeks ago.
Totally fun.
Yeah.
Totally enjoyed it. It was tiring, but we are back now, and we're moving on to more projects. So today we're going to have a project follow-up, and it's actually one of our favorites. It is also one that created a little bit of controversy. Sure, it's something that almost didn't happen. Yes. We had a lot of trouble with this.
It's called the LED log end table. Let's head on over. Hello and welcome to Project Follow-Up. So we asked you on Monday what you wanted to see follow-up on, and you all said the LED log end table that we made probably like 3 years ago, I think now. So this has held up really well. If you saw that project, then you remember we painted it gold because nephew Andrew requested that. There's been a lot of controversy about the gold, people saying, why did you paint the natural wood gold? Well, we were going to leave it natural, but it was spalted in a bad way. It didn't look great. It looked just moldy. So that's why we actually ended up painting it. But it's held up really well. And if you remember, we put an LED light inside. And I can actually change that LED light to any color, which is nice. So I can make it blue. I can make it red. I normally have purple. I don't know why. And a lot of people have been asking, how can the LED light be in there all enclosed without getting hot? Well, it's an LED bulb and there is zero heat from it. So I'm going to show you guys, I haven't opened this in a while, but I'm going to show you guys what that looks like inside so you can see. So right in here we go, right in here, what we did is we actually, there you go. So we took a PVC pipe and we put a pool noodle inside, and then inside of that we put a cord set, which just you can buy from the store, and that's what we plugged the LED bulb into. So you can see I'm touching this, it's not hot at all, and this is just a really inexpensive bulb we got from Amazon, and again it came with this little color changing remote switch here. And it's worked out really well. I have this on probably 10-12 hours a day. I have it on a lot. And I've had zero issues. It's been 3 years, this bulb has been totally fine. I've had no issues. So it's really held up there. And then I'm just gonna put this back in here. I did notice early on, I thought it was gonna be an end table, but I found out early on that my nephews and niece sit on it a lot, and I ended up sitting on it too. We had put like, I think 2 layers of epoxy in originally, and then it started to push in a little bit because people were sitting on it. So I went back and actually put a couple more layers, and now it's like super strong, like you know, it won't break through at all. But I love this. We still are always on the lookout for hollow logs to do another project like this because it worked out really well and it's one of my favorite projects. So there's your follow-up. If you have any more questions about it, leave them in the comments below. We'll put a link to the original project as well. I'm back.
That was so illuminating.
Oh, goodness. All right, well, we want to get into our last segment today, and that is What's in the Box? That's what I'm talking about, Mom. Yeah. Woo. Nice. Okay.
Okay. So you might have noticed what's behind us, and we'll show you. And we are part of the Home Depot Perspective campaign, and we've been doing this for 2 years now. And every quarter we get new tools, and they sent us these to try out and to share with you all.
So we're going to start unboxing. You can probably tell what's in them because they have a nice picture on them of what's in them. But we're going to start unboxing, and I will share some about this as we do. So this is a very brand new set from Milwaukee that has recently come out, and it is an We are so elegant. We are so elegant.
Oops.
We might have to rethink our What's in the Box segment.
The nice thing about this is Steph can edit all this nonsense out. This is actually the power head, and when you buy this, you buy this particular box, and it comes with the edger.
So this is the weed eater right here, or
yeah, it's a weed eater. Yeah,
string trimmer. No, this is the string trimmer
and power head. That all of the different attachments are going to attach to. This is not all that heavy, which is kind of nice.
Oh yeah, this is not very heavy. This is the edger.
Okay.
So,
oh, much easier.
The nice thing is that you can get as many of the different attachments as you want, depending on what you need. So this is the edger right here. Very cool. This is nice. Wow.
Oh, this is where you put the oil in it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's really convenient.
So this is actually a really nice blade right here. That's awesome.
And this is a convenient feature as well. It does need a little bit of oil.
It'll use bar and chain oil that we'll put in there. Very nice.
Okay, and
to go along with this, so this is, this particular height, it's 10 inches, but you can also extend that with the extender.
Yes.
So this is an extender for any of the tools to make them taller.
Okay, and the last one is a hedge trimmer.
Hedge trimmer. It's all battery powered, which is really nice. You don't have to be attached to cords. And
wow, yes, it has its own stick.
Wow.
Oh,
that is nice. Wow. Look at that hedge trimmer there. That is nice. And this head right here adjusts. So it looks like this pulls out here, and then you can just adjust it to different angles.
Oh, nice. Wow.
So that's really nice. So if you want it to be right here, if you want it to be at this angle,
oh, so you could hold
and
it
it
up
holds
and
up.
Do a higher
yeah, so that's
of hedges.
Really nice. And you would just push it in right here, and it looks like you would want to push it like right to that arrow and
tighten it up. This is nice. These handles. That
yeah, they're like really soft grip. That's nice. All right, so those are the tools we have: a hedge trimmer, a pull saw, a edger, a string trimmer. Let us know what you want to see us try out first, because spring has sprung here in Florida already.
Yes.
So we are ready to use these tools. So let us know what you want to see. All right, are we done?
We're not done. We have one more special thing to do.
One more thing.
Let me get it.
One more thing.
Okay.
Yes, let's make space. All right, so we wanted to give a big thank you to one of our viewers in Scotland. Yes, that's Scotland, not down the road from us. Penny, she makes stuff. She's a maker, and she actually has a Facebook page, and it's called Penny Made, and she actually sent us hand-turned pens. Look how amazing this is. You want to show yours?
Yes, this is one I claim right off the bat, but I think it's beautiful.
Yes.
I'm just so in awe.
And it actually, like, they look like this is more mom and this is more me. It's like perfect. Like it's like she made them thinking like,
yes,
this is for Vicky, this is for Steph. So,
yes.
So great. Thank you so much, Penny. Like, this means so much to us. I think this is like the first thing someone's like,
I think so,
sent us.
Yes.
Like, that's so cool. So thanks everyone for joining us. And remember, we have a newsletter that we send out once a week, and you can sign up for that in the comments below.
And on Monday, we'll post another question, and you can help us decide what tool you want or project you want to see more of.
So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Oh, we should show them the trick that we taught Mac.
Oh, we should.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
do that.
let's run to my house real quick. Let me show you.
Yes.
Downward dog. Oh, good girl. Good downward dog. You're so talented. Can you use a hammer? We'll work on that next.